Welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to install Kali Linux. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come to this site that I linked in description and download the image that fits your machine installer. In my case, I'm using VirtualBox. VMware is also valid, but you have to pay for it. So with that, all you want to do is go ahead and press the download button and it will pop up right there and just let it download. Once it gets downloaded, you want to open where it installs and just extract it to your computer. I'm just drag and dropping it to my desktop, and it'll take a little bit because it's a fairly hefty file. It is an OS. Okay, after it's installed, you want to go ahead and click the add button, which I just did. After that, you want to go to where it's installed. Mine's on the desktop, and you just open it up, and then you open the file inside, and you're pretty much good to go. The next step is clicking the next button on top to get it actually up and running. Alright, and here we go. Now, to log in, I believe you do Kali or root tour. Let's start with root tour because I think that's more common. Okay, it looks like it's going to be Kali. And yep, that seemed to work. So now we are in. So once you get up, you want to click the terminal at the top of the bar. Let everything adjust. And all we really want to do to set up is we want to run sudo apt update. And then we just click yes, and that will prep all of our already installed applications to be up to date, which is just recommended in general. Just let that go, and then to install those, we have to run upgrade. And then this installation will take quite a bit, anywhere from 5 minutes to up to 30 minutes. It really depends on your computer. But once this is all installed, you are good to start using any of the built-in Kali tools. It is a really handy application.